I studied Foundation Criminal Justice. I'm going to expand my degree in criminology, criminal justice and youth justice in Pontypridd in USW. It's brilliant being here with my children because I've been really excited for them to see me graduate. So yeah, I just feel really happy and really proud of myself.
I work for Bluestone and I'm a leisure manager. I studied my ILM for leadership and management, which is a really good feeling. It's nice to be rewarded for everything and that hard work we put into this. It's great to be here at the graduation this evening. It's a really lovely atmosphere.
I studied level 4 advice and guidance at Gower College. I've done this with my colleagues in work, so for us all to be here together and celebrate the success is amazing.
I study business management, specialise in marketing. I love the flexible timetables and the tutors are really great. It's been a privilege to graduate here tonight.
I studied level 4 and preparing for leadership and management and childcare. After graduating, I'm hoping to step up in my current job role and end up managing the childcare setting that I work in. I never thought that I'd end up graduating. I finished school and just went to college and never thought that I'd come back and continue my education, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
I studied level 4 HNC in applied chemistry. After graduating, I'm planning to see what's out there, see what the future holds. This could be any opportunities really. It's very exciting to be here tonight. It's a good opportunity to celebrate all the hard work that myself and my peers have been through. It's a great night.
So I studied advice and guidance level 4. I've recently got a job working with a neat team as a post-16 lead worker, so that's given me extra qualifications to get onto the job and then helped me to improve how I engage with the young people as well. I'm moving forward. Yeah, it's a great feeling being here tonight because I didn't think I'd be able to do it, but now I have, so I'm very happy.